Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the X Trail to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Enable Bluetooth and make your phone discoverable. This is how the head unit finds it. Use the infotainment menu, Settings, Bluetooth, then Add New Device. This triggers pairing mode on the car. Do this now because the head unit times out. Making the car and phone visible simultaneously prevents failed searches. You're initiating the secure link that will carry calls and audio. Once the car appears on your phone's list, tap it to begin pairing. You'll see a numeric PIN on both the phone and the head unit. Confirm they match and accept on each device. Grant permissions for contacts and media so calls show names and music routes to the car. If prompted, choose phone audio and media audio profiles. This step links profiles for hands-free calls and streaming. Permissions ensure caller ID and playlists work without further steps. After pairing, immediately test with a call and play some audio to confirm both microphone and speakers are routed through the X Trail. If you use one primary phone, set it as the priority or auto connect device in Bluetooth settings so it connects automatically next time. If pairing fails, delete existing X Trail entries on your phone and remove the phone from the head unit. Then restart both devices and try again. Updates or multiple stored devices often block new pairings, so clearing old entries solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.